Do you think the Netherlands is only Amsterdam and canals? Then you are completely missing its biggest architectural and cultural secrets. Do you know the specific village where locals cannot travel without a boat? Or how a cluster of bizarre cube houses manages to defy gravity in Rotterdam? This video explores the genuine wonders of the Netherlands, focusing on its stunning innovation and hidden history. We covered the 6 secret history of Netherlands last time. Check the description to watch it. Before we begin this captivating journey, hit subscribe and like. Amsterdam, the vibrant heart of the Netherlands, is where modernity and history seamlessly merge. It's famous worldwide for its iconic canals, narrow gabled houses, and open-minded culture. The canals, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are the city's main feature and are perfect for boat tours. The lively Giethoorn district is filled with charming cafes and small boutiques. The city boasts world-class museums like the Rijksmuseum and Van Gogh Museum, housing vast collections of Dutch Golden Age art. Cycling is the primary mode of transport, contributing to the city's dynamic vibe. Amsterdam is more than just a city. It's a living celebration of freedom, art, and history. Giethoorn is a dreamy village in the Netherlands, famously known as the Venice of the Netherlands. This village has no roads, only canals and wooden bridges. Instead of cars, locals rely on silent electric boats, punters, for transport. The picturesque thatched roof farmhouses and charming gardens line the tranquil waterways, making the village look straight out of a fairy tale. The area was historically a peat bog, and excavation led to the formation of its numerous small islands and water networks. This incredibly peaceful and unique setting makes Giethoorn one of the world's most serene destinations. Rotterdam is the Netherlands' second-largest city and a bold symbol of modern architecture. After its center was almost completely destroyed during World War II, the city rebuilt by looking toward the future rather than the past. Today, Rotterdam is famous for its innovative skyline and experimental structures. Landmarks like the unique cube houses and the graceful Erasmus Bridge are truly remarkable. It functions as Europe's largest port and a major hub for global trade. The city's Markthal offers a unique blend of architecture and culinary experiences. Rotterdam is a vibrant example of Dutch resilience, modernity, and a fearless approach to design. Keukenhof Gardens is an unparalleled wonder of the Netherlands during springtime. Known as the Garden of Europe, it ranks among the largest flower gardens globally. It opens only for a short period in spring when over 7 million tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths bloom. The breathtaking scenery is like a vast natural canvas of color. Well-designed thematic gardens, ponds, and pavilions enhance this sea of flowers. Keukenhof is not merely a garden, it is a vibrant spectacle of color and fragrance, symbolizing the Dutch love for tulips and their mastery of horticulture. Alkmaar is a historic and charming city in the province of North Holland, globally renowned for its traditional cheese market. Held every Friday from April to September, the market features the centuries-old custom of weighing and trading cheese. The central attraction is the Wadpeen Square and its beautiful 15th-century weighhouse. Alkmaar's serene canals, narrow medieval streets, and elegant gabled houses give it a classic Dutch look. The historic harbor, lined with old ships, adds to the city's appeal. This city is not only a tribute to cheese, but also a wonderful reflection of Dutch heritage, history, and the scenic beauty of North Holland. The Hague, also known as Den Haag, serves as the administrative and judicial capital of the Netherlands. It is the seat of the Dutch government, housing the parliament and royal residences. The city is a global symbol of peace and justice, hosting numerous international legal bodies, including the International Court of Justice. The Binnenhof complex, with its historic architecture reflecting in the lake, is a central attraction. Despite its political significance, The Hague offers beautiful coastal life at Scheveningen and world-class art at the Mauritshuis Museum, home to masterpieces like Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring. It is a unique blend of power, art, and seaside living. Volendam is a traditional fishing village located on the shores of the IJsselmeer, renowned for its distinct Dutch culture. Once connected to the North Sea, the village is famous for its residents who still occasionally wear traditional Dutch costumes and for its well-preserved 19th-century wooden houses. Its picturesque harbor and narrow, colorful streets make the village exceptionally charming. Visitors can sample local cheese and enjoy traditional seafood like cod in an authentic Dutch setting. This village stands as a living symbol of the Dutch Romantic era, offering a clear picture of past Dutch coastal life, and has historically been a popular spot for artists. Biesbosch National Park is one of the Netherlands' most significant and largest freshwater tidal wetlands. Situated between South Holland and North Brabant, this park is a unique natural wonder of Dutch nature. The confluence of the Meuse and Rhine rivers has created a complex network of creeks, waterways, and willow forests, where the freshwater tide creates a rare ecological phenomenon. The park is a vital sanctuary for endangered species like beavers and numerous species of waterbirds. It is ideal for activities such as canoeing, boating, and hiking, allowing visitors to get close to the delta's wilderness. Biesbosch is a living example of Dutch water management and ecological conservation. Delft is a small and incredibly picturesque historic city in the Netherlands, globally recognized for its famous Delft blue pottery. It is also well known as the birthplace and home of 17th-century painter Johannes Vermeer. The city center captivates visitors with its tranquil canals, charming stone bridges, and medieval buildings. Two major churches, the Oude Kerk Old Church and Nieuwe Kerk New Church, dominate the main square where members of the Dutch royal family are interred. Delft's historic artistic legacy and technological advancement due to Delft University of Technology. Den Bosch Hertogenbosch is the capital of the North Brabant province and a city with a rich cultural history. Its centerpiece is the historic St. John's Cathedral, a stunning example of Dutch Gothic architecture. The city is the birthplace of the famed painter Hieronymus Bosch. A unique feature of Den Bosch is its medieval underground canal system, the Binnendiez, which can be explored by boat. The city is also famous for the Bosch Bowl, a traditional chocolate pastry. Its medieval ramparts, narrow streets, and lively cafes give it a distinct Dutch flair. Blending modernity and heritage, Den Bosch remains one of the most charming cities in the Netherlands. Dordrecht is the oldest city in South Holland, uniquely situated where three major rivers, Oordmaas, Noord, and Beneden Merwede, converge. This crucial waterway junction made the city a central hub in Dutch history. Dordrecht's historic harbors, or inner harbors, are exceptionally charming, featuring numerous historic ships and preserved warehouses. The city is famous for the Synod of Dordrecht in 1618, which profoundly impacted Dutch Protestant history. Its skyline is dominated by the Grote Kerk Great Church, whose tower still attests to its historical importance. Dordrecht is a quiet yet powerful symbol of Dutch history and the enduring beauty of its riverine landscapes. Gouda is a historic city in the Netherlands, globally famous for the cheese that bears its name. The city's center is the Grote Market, central square, dominated by the magnificent Gothic town hall, which dates back to the 15th century. During the summer, a traditional Gouda cheese market is held every Thursday, offering a unique spectacle for visitors. The city is also home to the St. Jan Church, the longest church in the Netherlands, renowned for its spectacular stained glass windows. Gouda is equally famous as the birthplace of the stroopwafel, or syrup waffle. Gouda is a delightful combination of cheese, history, and traditional sweets. Groningen is a vibrant student city located in the northern part of the Netherlands. The presence of the University of Groningen ensures a high youthful population, lending the city a dynamic and modern character. It is famously known as a cycling city, where bicycles outnumber cars. The central point is the historic Grote Markt, dominated by the Martini Toren, or Martini Tower, which defines the city's skyline. Although damaged in Werti, the city has maintained its medieval structure and canals. Groningen is celebrated for its liberal culture, contemporary architecture, and lively nightlife. Despite its peripheral location, it is a joyous and significant cultural hub of Dutch life. Haarlem is a historic city situated on the Spa-Rijn River, just west of Amsterdam. It is known for its peaceful, charming atmosphere and well-preserved historic architecture. The city's heart is the Grote Markt, central square, framed by beautiful buildings like the monumental St. Bavo Church and the City Hall. Haarlem is deeply linked to the Dutch Golden Age painter Frans Hals, and a large collection of his works is housed in the Frans Hals Museum. Haarlem is a fantastic shopping destination featuring many independent boutiques and specialty stores. Its lovely hofjesses, hidden courtyards, are famous for their tranquility. Haarlem is a wonderful blend of culture, shopping, and relaxed Dutch life. Hoge Veluwe National Park is one of the largest continuous nature reserves in the Netherlands, located near Arnhem. It is unique as the country's only privately owned national park. The park is famed for its diverse topography, which includes shifting sands, dense forests, and open heathlands. At its heart lies the Kroller Museum, featuring a significant collection of modern art, including many works by Van Gogh. Visitors can explore the vast area using complimentary white bicycles. It is home to various wildlife, including red deer, wild boar, and mouflon. Hoge Veluwe is a singular blend of nature, art, and architecture, highlighting a special side of the Dutch landscape. Kinderdijk is a timeless Dutch tableau, symbolizing the nation's struggle against the sea. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it features a remarkable concentration of 19 historic windmills aligned in a row. Built in the 18th century, these mills formed a crucial part of a complex water management system. They were used to pump excess water from the low-lying polderlands into the rivers, enabling the Dutch to live below sea level. Exploring this tranquil landscape by cycling or walking offers a unique experience. Set against peaceful waterways and vast scales, these windmills stand as icons of Dutch engineering and heritage. Leiden is an enchanting Dutch city steeped in knowledge and history. It is best known for Leiden University, founded in the 16th century, the country's oldest university, which infuses the city with a vibrant student energy. The city center is beautifully laced with tranquil canals, peaceful courtyards, hofjes, and historic bridges, rivaling Amsterdam's charm. Leiden is the birthplace of the renowned artist Rembrandt, and its museums, including the Rijksmuseum van Oudheden, house significant art and archaeological collections. From biblical history to scientific breakthroughs, Leiden stands as a living testament to the intellectual heritage of the Dutch Golden Age. Maastricht is located in the southern part of the Netherlands, renowned for its distinct European culture. Situated on the Meuse River, its proximity to Belgium and Germany has infused its architecture, language, and cuisine with diverse influences. It is one of the country's oldest cities, with a history tracing back to Roman times. The city's heart is the Vrijthof Square, lined with historic buildings and bustling cafes. The Basilica of St. Servatius and St. Jan's Church are key attractions. Furthermore, Maastricht University lends the city a youthful and dynamic character. Maastricht is not just a city, it is a wonderful synthesis of history, culture, and modern life. Middelburg is the historic capital of the Zeeland province in the southwestern Netherlands. Once the second most important city after Amsterdam during the Dutch Golden Age, it boasts over 1,100 listed monuments. Despite being heavily damaged in World WIT, its charming medieval center, narrow canals, and historic squares have been beautifully restored. Key landmarks include the magnificent Gothic Town Hall and the centuries-old Abbey of St. Nicholas, which houses the Zorius Museum. The city blends rich maritime history, visible in its old warehouses, with a lively modern atmosphere, and is conveniently located near the Oosterschelde National Park and beautiful beaches. Utrecht is a vibrant and historic city centrally located in the Netherlands. Quieter than Amsterdam, it boasts a unique charm. The city is particularly famous for its distinctive canals, featuring two-tiered wharves where pathways and cozy wharf cellars, now often housing cafes, run along the water. Dominating the skyline is the Dom Tower, the highest church tower in the Netherlands, offering panoramic views from its summit. Utrecht is also a major educational hub, making it a fantastic blend of youthful energy and medieval history. The city's layered architecture and picturesque canals make it a truly unique destination for visitors. Zaanse Schans is a charming open-air museum in the Netherlands, offering a glimpse into Dutch life during the 18th and 19th centuries. This historical village, situated along the river Zaan, is characterized by its green wooden houses, traditional windmills, and historic workshops. It perfectly captures a Dutch village frozen in time. Visitors can directly observe the processes of traditional cheesemaking, wooden shoe, clog production, and mustard oil milling. This area was once the epicenter of the Dutch Industrial Revolution. The location is not just scenic, but also an excellent place to appreciate the depth of Dutch traditional crafts and cultural history. From the iconic windmills to the stunning canals, the Netherlands offers a perfect blend of culture, history, and breathtaking landscapes. In this video, I've showcased the 21 must-visit places you can't miss during your trip to the Netherlands. Whether you're planning your first visit or you're already a travel enthusiast, these destinations will leave you in awe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel tips and recommendations. Stay tuned for more adventures around the world.